What if 10 people started a new civilization on Mars? How long until they reach 1 million? Imagine this. Only 10 humans land on Mars. They have shelter, oxygen, food production, everything needed to survive. But one question decides the future of this new world. How long does it take for Mars to reach 1 million people, starting from just 10? Let's break it down. Fast. On Earth, the average population growth in small, isolated groups is around 2 to 3% per year. But with only 10 people, you can't grow fast. You need healthy generations, no genetic bottlenecks, and enough children per family to avoid extinction. If every couple has 3 to 4 children, and each new generation takes around 28 years, population growth looks like this. Generation 1, 10, 24. Generation 2, 24, 58. Generation 3, 58, 140. Generation 4, 140. 3, 40. Generation 5, 340. 820. Generation 6, 820. 2000. Generation 7, 2000. 4,800. Generation 8, 4,800. 11,000. Generation 9, 11,000. 26,000. Generation 10, 26,000. 62,000. Generation 11, 62,000. 150,000. Generation 12, 150,000. 360,000. Generation 13, 360,000. 860,000. Generation 14, 860,000. 1,000 plus. Now, the real shock, this takes around 350 to 400 years. A million Martians. But only if every generation survives disease, accidents, infertility, resource shortages, and genetic diversity problems. If even one generation collapses, the entire civilization disappears. So the final answer? Starting with 10 people, Mars would need nearly 4 centuries to reach 1 million. And that's assuming everything goes perfectly. On a dead planet, almost nothing does.